Morning, YouTube. Well, it's 8:30 in the morning, Monday, and this is what we got for today. Isn't that lovely? Rain moving in for tonight. Some more back there. Can you see them? Can I get in on there? Oh yeah, right there. Look at that, making an X. Look at this. I don't know if anybody's caught some of my other videos where I mentioned I've seen webs, spider-like webs falling out of the sky. And I mentioned I had a yard sale and I seen a web attached from the top of this guy's hat down to his bill. Well, yesterday I was at my cabin closing it up for the winter, and I set a cup of coffee out here just like that. It was sitting on the picnic table. 5 minutes later I go back to grab a sip, and there's a freaking web stretched across the top of my cup. So you're gonna tell me a spider crawled up my cup, made a web, and came back down in 5 minutes? I don't think so. There's that cloud spreading out. To the east, which is that way, where the sun is. There's a huge sundog. I'd have to get in my car and drive down the street to show you, but I seen it on the way back from dropping my daughter off at school. There's another plane right there. But this is what the east looks like. Isn't that nice? Look at this guy. He's making a full fucking circle here. A full circle. Look at that. Just so he can make an X. That's what he's gonna come. He's gonna come across this cloud here, make an X. Let's see. Here he comes. See, just to make an X. Look at that. What a waste of gas money. Fuel. Yeah, there he comes. He's coming to make an X. There he comes. Fucking bastards. There he is, and he made his X. Yeah, fuck you. Can you see that, you fucking bitch? There's that cloud. Look at that shit, dude. Look at that. Here comes another one. Yeah, look at this. Non-stop, man. It's heavy bombardment. I wonder how many planes I could catch if I just stood out here for an hour. Flying east to west. Mostly flying east, though. This one's coming out of the east going westward. And there goes that cloud. Look at this, spreading out, same cloud. Made his X, like I said he would. He did that full fucking circle. Look at that fucking full circle. Just so he can make an X. Alright, and now he's gonna come across this one and make an X now. Look at that. Here he comes. And there he goes, making his fucking X. Fucking unbelievable. And there's that cloud. Spreading out. Look at that shit. Look at that, huh? You telling me you fucking can't notice that shit? You're fucking brain dead. And listen to the weatherman. Listen to the weathermen. They're trying to tell you this shit's going on. They know what's going on. And they're trying to tell people. They use little words. But they try to tell you. All you gotta do is listen. Alright, peace you two. I would download this shit in HD, but it takes too long. 6-minute video takes what, 2 hours? So if anybody knows a way to download an HD to YouTube faster, let me know. 'Cause I use a program, man, compresses it, and I get it up in less than 3 minutes. Look at that fucking bullshit. Unfucking believable. I'm so sick of this shit, man. Fucking sick of it. Fucking never have blue skies anymore, man.